close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and before you've even brushed your teeth, you've already made $50, $100, maybe even $500 overnight. No, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is the power of passive income. Money that flows in whether you're working, sleeping, or even on vacation. And here's the truth. 2025 might be the best year ever to build passive income streams, because opportunities that used to be only for the wealthy are now open to everyday people. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful ideas that can actually work. No hype, just real strategies that Americans are using to grow their wealth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I create videos about finance, investing, and smart money habits to help you achieve financial freedom. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Now, let's dive straight into our 7 passive income ideas, and trust me, number 7 might surprise you. Let's start with the classic, dividend stocks. Here's how it works. You buy shares of big, established companies, think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Microsoft, and they literally pay you cash just for owning their stock. These companies share a piece of their profits every quarter. For example, if you owned 100 shares of Coca-Cola, you'd get paid 4 times a year, without lifting a finger. And here's the kicker. If you reinvest those dividends, your money compounds. Over 10 or 20 years, the growth is massive. It's not a get-rich-quick strategy, but it's a get-rich-slowly and safely strategy. And if you want stability, look up Dividend Aristocrats, companies that have increased dividends for 25 years straight. Next, let's talk about something boring but powerful, high-yield savings accounts and CDs. Right now, thanks to higher interest rates, online banks are offering around 4 to 5% annual returns on savings accounts. That means if you park $10,000, you could earn $400 to $500 a year with zero risk. Now, is it going to make you rich? No. But it keeps your money safe, it beats traditional banks paying 0.01%, and it's FDIC insured, which means your money is protected by the US government. This is a perfect first step for people who want a safe passive income stream before moving into riskier assets. Number 3. Real estate. Passive income in real estate usually mean buying a rental property, dealing with tenants, fixing toilets at 2 a.m., but in 2025 you don't need to do that. Thanks to real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul, you can invest in real estate projects with as little as $10 or $100. You earn passive income from rental payments and also benefit from the property value going up. The best part? You don't have to deal with tenants, repairs, or mortgages. This has opened up real estate investing to everyday Americans who used to think it was only for the rich. And historically, real estate has outperformed many other investments. Now let's get creative, digital products. This is one of the most exciting passive income streams because you create something once and it sells forever. Think of an ebook, a course, a template, or even a simple guide. For example, a resume template that sells on Etsy, a $20 ebook about fitness or personal finance, a course teaching small business owners how to use AI tools. You build it one time, upload it to platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or Amazon Kindle, and every sale puts money into your pocket while you sleep. Here's a real example. One course creator on Udemy makes over $10,000 a month teaching Excel tutorials. The content is years old, but it keeps selling because people always need it. The beauty is, no inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. 5th on our list is affiliate marketing. Every time you recommend a product or service and someone buys through your referral link, you get paid a commission. Amazon Associates is the most popular, but the commissions are small. The real money is in high-ticket affiliate programs, software tools, online courses, or finance-related products. Imagine this. You recommend a software that costs $100 a month. The company pays you 30% commission. That's $30 every month, for just one sign-up. Stack 100 people and you're earning $3,000 a month, without creating your own product. That's why affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable passive income streams. 6th, let's revisit real estate but in a different form, REITs. These are stocks that own income-generating real estate, shopping malls, office buildings, apartments. By law, they must pay out 90% of their profits to shareholders. That means if you own REIT shares, you're practically guaranteed regular payouts. And because they trade like normal stocks, you can buy and sell them anytime, no messy paperwork. It's like being a landlord without ever fixing a leaky faucet. And finally, one of the most powerful passive income streams of 2025. YouTube? I know what you're thinking. I don't want to show my face. But here's the secret. You don't have to. Faceless channels are booming right now. You can use stock footage, animations, B-roll, and AI or human voiceovers. Once a video is uploaded, it can keep earning ad revenue for years. Imagine creating a library of 100 videos that keep paying you every single month. Yes, it takes effort up front. But once you build momentum, YouTube becomes one of the most rewarding passive income streams, both financially and personally. So there you have it, 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. From safe options like savings accounts, to creative ideas like digital products, to wealth-building strategies like dividend stocks and YouTube, there's something for everyone. The key takeaway? Passive income isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building small streams of money that, over time, turn into rivers. Start with one, master it, then add another. That's how financial freedom is built. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which passive income idea are you going to start this year?